Hey guys, guess what? This is my third time moving timber again. I'm super excited! Oh! Okay guys, so I got timber all packed up and I'm going to be hooking it up soon, and I just wanted to show you guys like what I do to pack up. And I pack up a lot of stuff because I have a lot of glassware. I probably should just convert all the plastic, but I was like, I don't want to. Okay, so like up here, I just took my blanket, my fuzzy blanket, like it's a pretty big blanket, and I just stuck it up there and just put it all around and over and under all my glassware up here. So like that's how I secure all my glassware up here. And I'm actually conducting an experiment right now. I'm putting clothespins on top of these hangers here to see if that'll keep them from falling. So this one here is going to be the guinea pig. I feel like it's going to stay, so like if whenever I want to move I can just put a bunch of clothespins up there and not have to like worry about securing the mugs. And then up here I have like one clothespin on this one because the hooks are smaller. So I'm going to see how that does on this round. So like yeah, I took all my seasonings, I took them off, they're all down here. I put a ton of stuff on the bed, I just laid it all there. I usually keep a lot of stuff up here. Like one time I put my guitar up there though and it just totally fell off. So I only put squishy stuff up here like hats and just stuff I want to get out of the way. So if it does fall, I won't hurt it. I took all my books down. All my books are down here now, and then also all my cutting boards and stuff, they're also down here. I put my flap down. I put my sewing machine down right under the table here over the axle because it is a heavy baby. And I usually keep it over there in the closet, and so I was like, well, yeah, let's just switch that weight and just kind of help with the weight. I mean, this thing's, I don't know, it's like 45 pounds. Like, it's my grandma's sewing machine. It's so heavy. So, yeah, I have some more dishware and stuff down there. And then over here, this thing, I still need to figure out a way to secure it. And I'm going to put, like, bands through this so that whenever I do move, I don't have to worry about, like, constantly taking stuff down. So, but right now, for now, I just took everything out and I put my little gnome guy right here. My knives are good. I've tested them several times and they all stay up there. And also I watched like a YouTube video of someone that had one of those and they're like, yeah, they don't fall. So yeah, and then my bathroom's super easy to secure. Everything's usually like hanging up. So like all my baskets down here, like they're fine. My shower's got like stuff in it, and then like these are fine. I just like had some glassware and some soaps and stuff that I put in the sink there. And then like I secure this too, although this is magnetized, but I just put that there just in case, and it even has like bars in it, but I just did it. And then this guy here, I think this is fine. I feel like last time I went somewhere this was fine, so I'm just gonna leave that for now. So yeah, everything here looks pretty good. Sometimes there's stuff up here that I have to move, but there's no glassware up here, so I'm not worried about that. Also, I'm out of toilet paper. Some more. My closet's good. It's scary in there, so I'm not gonna show you that. So like all this up here, all my foodware up here, it's all fine. There's a few like glass up here, but it's like there's only one of them, so I'm not worried about it. There's glassware up there, so all my foodware is usually pretty easy to contain. Although lately I've noticed like usually one of these will fall. I think it's this one. Maybe I don't remember which one it is, but during like the travel it will fall. But I do have a bent wheel that I still need to fix. So before like I move timber again, I definitely need to get that fixed. And I think that's contributing to that because it's like the wheel that's right under. It's one of the, I think it's the front wheel out of the two that's under there. So yeah, and then like all my pots and stuff, they're good under there. Yeah, I think everything's good. I kind of like went and double checked everything, so it's getting really hot in here. So I'm gonna go outside and finish hooking up. But yeah, just thought I'd show you guys like my techniques. Someday I'll be really, really good at my techniques, but I haven't got there yet. I need to move more. Oh! I'll get there. Alright, you guys take care. And by the way, this is one of my shirts. And if you guys are interested in them, I'll put a link below. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Alright, here's my new place, guys. My new spot. I really like it. It's pretty grand. Getting ready to head back to the cabin where my dad lives, and or my dad and my family live, and hang out with them. So I like my spot, but AC's acting up, so like super hot in there right now. But I got a pretty nice view. I'm really happy. Pretty great. But I guess I'll figure out next weekend what's going on with the AC. Alright guys. See y'all in the next one.